I got a package today from Samsung. Can you guess what it is? My brand new blue Note 8. It's time to crack open this little slice of awesomeness and see what's inside. These things are practically like vacuum sealed. They're slip covered. So, here we go. Should open up on this side. And there it is. My favorite color. It's so awesome. And underneath the cover here, we have this little box that has the SIM tray tool, and inside the envelope we have a quick reference manual, a guide on Smart Switch, and terms and conditions, and a little flyer about Samsung accessories. And under that we have the AC adapter. Ta-da! The USB Type-C adapter. S-Pen tool to grab the tip of the S Pen, and you have some extra pen tips in here. A lovely pair of AKG headphones. Very stylish, very high quality audio. And some some extra earbuds for the AKGs. And we have the USB Type-C to micro USB adapter. Extremely handy. And last but not least, the USB Type-C to USB adapter. So we can plug in flash drives and all such manner of USB devices. Not too shabby, eh? I'm stoked. I can't wait to try this out. So let's boot this bad boy up. Oh, Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It's alive! Welcome. Oh, and here's the S Pen. The blue S Pen. That's it for the Note 8 Deepsea Blue unboxing. Thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next unboxing.